Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be I guess a review and a mini Footlocker haul. Now it's not going to be that exciting because I have two boxes and they are the same shoe. So let me show you what I picked up. Now Footlocker in Australia are having some incredible sales at the moment. If you have seen any of my previous videos as well, I have done some reviews on UltraBoosts and also more recently some ASICs. I am a true UltraBoost fan. So they are my shoe, they are the shoe that I'm obsessed with. So this is actually my shoe that I have worn to the ground. There are holes, there is like the sole is just worn, but these are my favorite shoes that I've ever had. So the time has come that I needed new shoes and it has just been so disastrous. I'm not a big online shopper and this is exactly why. So I ordered this pair of shoes, which I have shown you in a Black Friday haul. These are called the UltraBoost DNA Sketch White Pink sneaker. So I got these in an 8 because my other UltraBoosts are a size 8. So these are the details. However, the shoes arrived and they are so big. I was so confused, and then I realized on the box we have a man and woman. So these are unisex shoe, which they are advertised as women's, but it is what it is. I've had to pay double shipping because I haven't seen these shoes before. Anyway, so getting into it, I actually have the new pair on my feet. So this is the shoe that I have purchased, which I actually really like. They are super comfortable. I like shoes to be not like very color specific, so I like to go neutrals, like not so much white, this is quite white, but like grays, beige, like something that you can wear with everything. So yeah, this is the shoe that I purchased. Wrong size, and I had to reorder them, which they have just arrived today. To be honest, I went down a size to the 7.5, and they're still a little bit big, but I thought I would show you like the difference as well. This box is not working, so put that away. This video's all over the place. So as I said, the shoes are on my feet, but just for reference to show you in case, this is the details. So as you can see, it's 7.5, and I'm just going to show you them on my feet quickly. Now you may have noticed my legs are literally covered in scratches. I'm trying to exfoliate a tan, so disregard that. But yeah, they still feel a little bit big. It's just like so frustrating, but the shoe itself is what I wanted to speak to you about. So I was a little concerned because this is such a wider shoe like here, and I thought it was just gonna be a little bit more like puffy because I don't feel like I'm the skinniest person, and I was just worried it was gonna make my ankles look a lot bigger because this is more streamlined. So yes, they are a little bit more puffy, but I actually don't mind the look on my feet, surprisingly. The comfort level, to be honest, I feel like these ones are a lot more comfortable than these. These are quite worn in, and as I said, the sole is like gone and they're just like super worn. So these are definitely a lot more comfortable. Whether that's going to change and they're going to be a lot more like my old ones, I'm not sure. But if you are looking for a new sneaker, I cannot like tell you to check out UltraBoosts enough. They are just the most comfortable shoe, again, that I have ever worn. I really, really love them. And like, they're just so stylish as well. Like, if you didn't want to wear these as a sporting shoe, you can still get away with these as like a casual shoe as well. They just work. So 100% check them out. Check out Footlocker as well. Their sale should/may still be on, and these are usually $260. I got them for $130 including shipping, so literally half price. And I will be returning my size 8s, and apparently their refunds are just super easy to go through. There's no issues like to do that in store, which is very convenient because there is a Footlocker quite close to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this random video. I hope it does make sense. I will do possibly a more in-depth video on the differences between the Ultra Boosts. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.